Morning, all of you. Good morning. Good morning, all of you. Hello. Hello.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes,
Morning, ma'am.
और कैसा हुआ कल का एग्जाम? टेस्ट कैसा था?
मैम बहुत
हाँ,
बहुत
अच्छा
अच्छा
था।
मैम।
हाँ,
मैम इजी था।
इजी था। दूसरा वाला
Yes, ma'am.
दूसरा जो लॉन्ग टाइप था उसमें यस नो दोनों लिख सकते हो। दूसरा जो लॉन्ग टाइप था मतलब इज ही हैप्पी?
मैम नो लिख करके दिए थे।
नो लिख करके दिए थे, तो जो भी लिखे वो एक्सप्लेन करना था कि नो है तो क्यों, क्या।
Yes, ma'am. एक्सप्लेन लिखे थे।
तो फिर ठीक है, क्योंकि उसमें चॉइस है कुछ। अब पोएम में पोएट क्या सोच रहा है ये आदमी गेस ही सिर्फ कर सकता है, तो इसीलिए ओके। So we'll continue this chapter. So what strange laws existed in the kingdom of fools? बताओ कोई। What were the strange orders?
Change laws was the night, the day was.
everyone should be
Everyone should be awake.
मैम सबका वॉइस इको हो जा रहा है मैम।
अच्छा, एक कोई बोलो।
Hello.
कौन बोलो? अनुज बोलो।
मैम
यस मैम इको हो रहा है।
सबका इको हो
Hello.
रहा है। हेलो,
yes.
म्यूट करो। ऑल ऑफ यू म्यूट
हेलो
योरसेल्फ।
हेलो।
ए म्यूट करो अपने आप को, कोई अनम्यूट किया होगा इसीलिए। वेट, लेट मी सी। हेलो, अभी एको हो रहा
yes,
है?
ma'am.
अभी भी एको हो रहा है
मैम फेड हो रहा है।
क्या?
यस
तो किसका? वेट, लेट मी सी समवन।
हेलो
कोई
हाँ हो गया।
कोई अनम्यूट, कोई म्यूट किया है? कोई हेलो,
Yes, ma'am.
अभी एको हो रहा है क्या? अभी तो नहीं हो रहा है।
मैम हो रहा है।
अभी भी हो रहा है। हेलो हेलो,
Yes, ma'am.
अभी भी हो रहा है?
Yes,
कैसा
ma'am.
वॉइस क्लियर है?
हो रहा है मैम।
हो रहा है। जिसका हो रहा है उसका फोन का प्रॉब्लम होगा, हो सकता है। सबका हो रहा है? सबके
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ,
सबका हो रहा है। सबका हो रहा है।
सबका हो रहा है।
The screen धुंधला हो गया।
Now my voice is clear. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
my voice?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Oh, okay. So who will answer? Anuj, you answer. Why? What were the strange laws that existed?
Was very unique rules that none of people were allowed to work at day or do any work at day, because in the kingdom of fools the night was considered as day and the day was considered at night. There was another which was that everything has a same price, which was one to do, and that's all.
the the two strange laws that existed was, one was that during the night people were not allowed to sleep. During the night they had to do all the work, tilling the fields, carrying on the business, and during the day they had to sleep. And the other strange thing was that everything cost the same for everything. So what was the reason of disagreement between what was the reason of disagreement between uh, the disciple and the guru?
The reason was that the
अब तुम नहीं, अब दूसरा कोई आंसर करो. हेलो, you have already answered. Everyone should
The
participate.
disciple wanted to stay there.
Yes, yes, very good. The disciple wanted to stay there and the guru wanted to leave the kingdom. Why did the guru want to leave the kingdom? Hello. Why did the guru want to leave the kingdom? बताओ आदित्य प्रताप सिंह. Hello.
Ma'am, because the king
हाँ.
was king is an intelligent man of the city, but it
Why did the
but
guru?
he was a fool.
Ma'am, because Guru realized that
Okay, दिव्य राज बोलो, बोलो दिव्य राज. हाँ, गुरु क्या रियलाइज किया?
Ma'am,
हाँ.
because Guru realized that
हाँ.
the kingdom was full
Yes, the guru realized that it was dangerous.
and the king and minister of
And why did the disciple want to stay there? Nirbhay, answer. Why did the disciple want to stay there? Hello.
yeah, ma'am.
हाँ, बोलो. Disciple क्यों वहाँ रहना चाहता था? गुरु. What was the reason?
Ma'am, because everything was cheap here.
Yes, because everything was cheap and he thought that he can enjoy all the delicious food. तो डिसाइपल जो था वो बेसिकली वो भी बेवकूफ ही था, उसको बस खाना दिख रहा था, आगे क्या खतरा होने वाला वो नहीं दिख रहा था. And the guru was a wise man. The guru was a wise man. He knows that uh, that it is better to think about the future. And finally the disciples stayed in the kingdom and the guru left. So what happened when the thief broke into a rich merchant's house? Who will answer? Bhavya, answer. Bhavya is there, present? Hello. Hello. Hello, can you hear me? हाँ, बोलो. What happened when the disciple entered? Sorry, what happened when the thief broke into the house of the rich merchant? Hello. Anyone answer? चलो कोई. Hello, can you hear me?
Present, ma'am.
किसको? अच्छा चलो. Compens. हाँ. One night. So. The king said, "Justice will be done, don't worry," and at once summoned the owner of the house. Summoned means called. When the merchant arrived, the king questioned him, "What is your name?" "Such and such, your highness." What was the merchant's name? Such and such. Strange name, बहुत अजीब सा weird सा नाम था उसका, such and such. Were you at home when the dead man burgled your house? So were you at home when the dead man burgled your house? So this king asked the merchant that when this dead man, he stole into your house. Were you at home? Yes, my lord. He broke in and the wall was weak. It fell on him. तो उसने कहा हाँ, जब ये चोरी करने घुसा तो मैं घर ही में था. And the wall was very weak. It fell on him. The accused pleads guilty. तो accused मतलब आरोपी. तो आरोपी जो है accused pleads guilty. तो मतलब आरोपी ने अपना जो जुर्म है वो कबूल कर लिया. वो उसने मान लिया कि वो दोषी है. गिल्टी मतलब दोषी. अक्यूज मतलब आरोपी. अक्यूज मतलब जिसपे कुछ एलिगेशन लगाया जाता है. The accused pleads guilty. Your wall killed this man's brother. You have murdered a man. We have to punish you. So he said that your wall has killed this man's brother. Your wall killed this man's brother. You have murdered a man. Your wall killed this man's brother. You have murdered a man. We have to punish you. So he said that you deserve punishment because of your weak wall only this man has died. Lord, said the helpless merchant, I didn't put up the wall. It's really the fault of the man who built the wall. तो अब मर्चेंट जो है वो एकदम हेल्पलेस हो गया. अब वो क्या करे. तो उसने कहा कि नहीं नहीं, मेरी कोई गलती नहीं है. आई डिडंट पुट अप द वॉल. मेरी कोई गलती नहीं है. ये गलती जो है उस आदमी का है जिसने वो दीवार बनाए. इट इज रियली द फॉल्ट ऑफ द मैन हु बिल्ट द वॉल. ही डिडंट बिल्ड इट राइट. यू शुड पनिश हिम. तो उसने कहा कि ये उसकी गलती है. ये उसकी गलती है जिसने दीवार बनाया. So he said that no, it's not at all my mistake. It is the mistake of the man who built the wall. He did not build it right. You should punish him. So he said that you should punish the merchant because he is at fault. He did not build a strong wall. He did not build a proper wall. So who is that, my lord? This wall was built in my father's time. तो राजा ने पूछा. अब जो है ये ब्लेम जो है एक से दूसरे पर जा रहा है. पहला ब्लेम तो मर्चेंट पे था. अब मर्चेंट को जब बुलाया गया तो द मर्चेंट पुट द ब्लेम ऑन द पर्सन हु बिल्ट द वॉल. So I didn't put up the wall. It is really the fault of the man who built the wall. He didn't build it right. You should punish him. He said that actually the fault is of the person who built the wall. You should punish him. Who is that? तो राजा ने पूछा ठीक है, कौन है वो आदमी जिसने वो दीवार बनाया. My voice is clear, all of you? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
My lord, this wall was built in my father's time. I know the man. He is an old man now. So he said कि ये जो दीवार है वो मेरे फादर के टाइम में बना हुआ है. बहुत पुराना घर था. तो this wall was built in my father's time. My lord, this wall was built in my father's time. I know the man. He is an old man now. He lives nearby. So he said that I know the man who built this. He is an old man and he lives nearby. He is an old man now. He lives nearby. The king sent out messengers to bring in the bricklayer who had built the wall. तो अब राजा ने जो है वो मैसेंजर्स को बुलवाना शुरू किया. The king sent out messengers to bring in the bricklayer who had built the wall. The king sent out messengers to bring in the bricklayer who had built the wall. So now the king sent his messengers कि जाओ जो आदमी ने दीवार बनाया उसको बुला के लाओ, उसकी गलती थी. Sent out messengers to bring in the bricklayer who had built the wall. They brought him tied hand and foot. अब राजा के जितने भी मैसेंजर्स थे उन्होंने उस मजदूर को पकड़ के लाया, उसका हाथ पैर बांध दिया. Tied hand and foot. You there, did you build this man's wall in his father's time? So when the king asked him that, did you build this wall in his father's time? Yes, my lord, I did. So he said he accepted that he had only built the wall. What kind of wall is this that you built? It has fallen on a poor man and killed him. He said that you're not a good bricklayer. You built a very weak wall, and that weak wall has fallen on a poor man and killed him. So you are responsible for his murder. You have murdered him. We have to punish you by death. So he said that you will be punished because you made the weak wall which fell on the thief, and he got killed due to that. My voice is clear, all of you? Can you hear me? Hello?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You have murdered him. We have to punish you by death. Before the king could order the execution, the poor bricklayer pleaded, please listen to me before you give your orders. अब बेचारा bricklayer वो एकदम विनती करने लगा. Pleaded means requested. You can write the meaning of pleaded. Pleaded means requested. Before the king could order the execution. Execution means the punishment, hanging. Execution. The poor bricklayer pleaded, please listen to me before you give your orders. It's true I built this wall and it was no good, but that was because my mind was not on it. तो उसने कहा हाँ हाँ ये सही है कि मैंने जो है एक कमजोर दीवार बनाया, and but that was because my mind was not on it. And he said that I built this weak wall because I could not concentrate on my work, but that was because my mind was not on it. He said I built this weak wall because my mind was not on it, because I could not concentrate on it. I remember very well a dancing girl who was going up and down that street all day with her anklets jingling, and I could not keep my eyes on my mind on the wall I was building. So now this merchant, this bricklayer, when he felt that there is a threat to his life, so he put the blame on a lady. He said that I built the weak wall because a lady always kept walking up and down in the street, and that lady distracted me. That lady distracted me by the sound of her jewelry, the anklets. Anklets means payal जिसको कहते हैं. So he said that it is the fault of that lady because she distracted me again and again. The sweet sound of her jewelry, the sweet sound of my jewelry distracted me, and again and again that dancing girl, she kept moving, and that was the reason why I got distracted. So ultimately it is the fault of that dancing girl. It is not my fault. तो ये ब्लेम गेम जो है वो अभी चलता ही रहा. पहले जो है किंग ने मर्चेंट को बुलाया, मर्चेंट ने उस ब्लेम को ब्रिकलेयर पर डाल दिया. अब ब्रिकलेयर जब बुलाया गया तो उसने जो है उस फॉल्ट को डांसिंग गर्ल पर डाल दिया कि वो बार बार चल रही थी और उसके घुंघरू से आवाज आ रही थी जिसके कारण मुझे डिस्ट्रैक्ट हुआ. और जिंगलिंग मीन्स द स्वीट साउंड. तो यू मस्ट गेट दैट डांसिंग गर्ल. नाउ द किंग he gave orders to bring that dancing girl. I know where she lives. You are right, the case deepens. We must look into it. And now the king said that this case is becoming very complicated. ये केस तो सॉल्व ही नहीं हो रहा है. ये ब्लेम जो है एक से दूसरे पर लग रहा है. और very complicated. Complicated means very difficult. Let's get that dancer wherever she is. So now the king sent for the dancing girl. Hello, can you hear me? Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Dancer wherever she is.
Yes, ma'am.
The dancing girl, now an old woman, came trembling to the court. Trembling मतलब कांपना. तो trembling यहाँ मतलब डर से कांपना. Trembling मतलब कांपना होता है. We tremble due to cold. We tremble due to fear. So here trembling means trembling due to fear. Now the dancing girl knows that it is a foolish king. उसकी गलती नहीं भी होगी तो उसको पनिशमेंट दे दिया जाएगा. तो अब जो है डांसिंग गर्ल बहुत डरी हुई थी. द डांसिंग गर्ल, नाउ एन ओल्ड वुमन, केम ट्रेम्बलिंग टू द कोर्ट. शी केम ट्रेम्बलिंग. Did you walk up and down that street many years ago while this poor man was building a wall? So she said that, did you walk up and down that street many years ago while this poor man was building a wall? तो उसने सवाल पूछा उससे कि बहुत साल पहले क्या तुम जो है उस स्ट्रीट में चल रही थी जहां ये आदमी दीवार बना रहा था. Did you walk up and down that street many years ago while this poor man was building a wall? The dancing girl was she had now become a very old woman. While this poor man was, did you see him? Yes, my lord, I remember it very well. तो उसने कहा हाँ मुझे तो एकदम याद है. Yes, my lord, I remember it very well. So you did walk up and down with your anklets jingling. You were young and you distracted him. तो उसने कहा तब तो सही में तुम्हारी गलती है. तुमने इसका ध्यान को भटकाया. तुमने इसको डिस्ट्रैक्ट किया अपने काम से, अपने आवाज, ज्वेलरी के आवाज से. You were young and you distracted him, so he built a bad wall. तुमने इसको डिस्ट्रैक्ट किया इसलिए उसने एक खराब दीवार बनाया. You were young and you distracted him, so he built a bad wall. It has fallen on a poor burglar and killed him. You have killed an innocent man. तो उसने कहा कि वो दीवार जो है एक गरीब थीफ के ऊपर गिर गया. Burglar means thief. It has fallen on a poor burglar and killed him. You have killed an innocent man. You will have to be punished. So he said that you are the real culprit because you have killed an innocent man. The wall fell on the burglar and you have killed him. You have killed an innocent man. You will have to be punished. She thought for a minute and said, my lord, I know now why I was walking up and down that street. अब जो है वो डांसिंग गर्ल के पास भी था एक एक्सक्यूज. अब dancing girl, when she felt that her life was in danger, now the king is going to punish him. So she said that, I know why I was walking up and down the street. I had given some gold to the goldsmith to make some jewelry for me. He was a lazy scoundrel. He made so many excuses. So now he said that it was not my mistake. It was the mistake of the ज्वेलर. अब लेडी जो डांसिंग गर्ल थी उसने जो है ब्लेम ज्वेलर पे डाल दिया. शी सेड कि मैंने ज्वेलर को कुछ गहने बनाने के लिए दिए थे, बट ही वॉज अ लेजी स्काउंड्रल. He made so many excuses, said he would give it now and he would give it them then, and so on. He made me walk up and down to his house a dozen times. तो ही सेड कि सारा जो मिस्टेक है उस ज्वेलर का है क्योंकि उसने टाइम से ज्वेलरी मुझे नहीं दिया. वो बहुत एक लेजी आदमी था. स्काउंड्रल मीन्स अ डिसऑनेस्ट पर्सन. राइट द मीनिंग ऑफ स्काउंड्रल. Dishonest person. Lazy scoundrel. Lazy scoundrel means a dishonest person. He made so many excuses, said he would give it now and he would give it then and so on all day. उसने कहा कि गलती तो उस ज्वेलर की थी जिसने मेरा जो गहना है वो टाइम पे नहीं दिया कि आज आओ कल आओ, वो मुझे बुलाता रहा और वो टाइम पे उसने दिया नहीं. I had given some gold to the goldsmith to make some jewelry for me. He was a lazy scoundrel. He made so many excuses, said he would give it now and he would give it then and so on all day. He said that it was the mistake of that man. He did not give my jewelry on time because he was very lazy. He said that he would give me today and then he would give me tomorrow. He made me walk up and down to his house a dozen times. उसने कहा कि वो ज्वेलर जो है उसने टाइम पे मेरा ज्वेलरी नहीं दिया और बार बार जो है मुझे आ जाओ कल आओ. That was when this bricklayer saw me. It is not my fault. तो उसने कहा कि उसी समय इस ब्रिकलेयर ने मुझे देखा था, ये मेरी गलती नहीं है. My lord, it is the damned goldsmith's fault. तो डांसिंग गर्ल ने कहा कि ये जो है पूरा जो है वो गोल्डस्मिथ की ही गलती है. My lord, it is the damned goldsmith's fault. Poor thing, she is absolutely right, thought the king, weighing the evidence. Now she said that a poor thing, she is absolutely right, thought the king, weighing the evidence. अब राजा भी सोच में पड़ गया. Goldsmith means jeweler, सुनार जिसको कहते हैं. So she is absolutely right, thought the king, weighing the evidence. We have got the real culprit at last. अब राजा को लगा कि सही आरोपी, culprit means the accused person, the person who has done the wrong thing. Culprit means the person who has done the wrong thing. So now the king is very happy. He thought that now we have got the real culprit. Get the goldsmith wherever he is hiding. So he said that go and find out the goldsmith wherever he is hiding at once. Get the goldsmith wherever he is hiding at once. Now finally the dancing girl put the blame on the goldsmith. Merchant put the blame on bricklayer. Bricklayer put the blame on the dancing girl who distracted her with her jewelry sound. Then the dancing girl put the blame on the goldsmith who did not give her jewelry on time and made her come to the shop again and again. Then he put the blame and she put the blame on the goldsmith. Now the king said that now I understand, the goldsmith is the real culprit. So the king's bailiffs means the officers of the court, the bailiffs, officers of the court, searched for the goldsmith who was hiding in a corner of his shop. अब गोल्डस्मिथ को कहीं इससे पता लग गया होगा कि राजा के आदमी जो है उसको ढूंढ रहे हैं, तो अब बेवकूफ राजा से बचने के लिए वो जो है अपने दुकान में कहीं छुपा हुआ था. So he was hiding in one corner of his shop. So when he heard the accusation मतलब आरोप, accusation, when he heard the accusation against him, he had his own story to tell. अब गोल्डस्मिथ के पास अपना ही कहानी था कहने के लिए. When he heard the accusation against him, he had his own story to tell. My lord, he said, I am a poor goldsmith. It's true I made this dancer come many times to my door. I gave her excuses because I couldn't. Hello. So your homework is to write the word meanings of the new words. Hello. Bhavya, attendance le lena to. Hello. Hello, Bhavya, you're present? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये ले लो, कनेक्शन भी थोड़ा अनस्टेबल हो रहा है. एक क्वेश्चन लिख लो। How does the blame of killing how does the blame of falling of the wall and how does the blame of falling of the wall and killing the burglar fall on the goldsmith? Hello, can you hear me? Hello. Hello. Hello, can you hear me, all of you? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Question लिख लो.
Yes, ma'am.
How does the blame of mute yourselves? How does the blame of killing the burglar fall on the goldsmith? ये question
Ma'am,
का
please repeat.
how does the blame of falling of the wall and killing the burglar pass on the goldsmith? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
और फिर write the meanings of all the new words. अभी आज के लेसन में जो new word
Yes,
था,
ma'am.
bailiff, scoundrel और accusation, सब जितना भी words का meaning बताया, guilty. Okay, now we'll continue in the next class. Okay, all of you.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
और तुम लोग सब अपने फ्रेंड्स को मोटिवेट करो और क्लास करने के लिए. 55-60 से पढ़ना चाहिए ना, 3 सेक्शन है तो.
मैम स्कूल ओपन कब होगा?
अभी कुछ ये नहीं है, ओपन कैसे होगा? गैदरिंग इज
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो. गैदरिंग तो
Ma'am, 8th के फाइनल टर्म का रिजल्ट कब मिलेगा?
किस चीज का रिजल्ट?
मैम 8th के फाइनल टर्म का.
वो तो उस पे अपलोड नहीं हुआ है. क्लास टीचर जो 8th में थे उनसे पूछना ना.
कैरिकुलम
Okay,
ऐप पे
ma'am.
देख लो. कैरिकुलम
कैरिकुलम में अपलोड हुआ है रिजल्ट शायद. कैरिकुलम में अपलोड
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है,
मैम
मैम.
पर कैरिकुलम में कुछ रॉन्ग बताते हैं.
तो टीचर से पूछ लेना. क्लास टीचर जो रहे होंगे 8th में.
नीचे
ma'am.
कहीं है.
लगता तो नहीं है कि जुलाई में खुलेगा. हर जगह केस बढ़ रहा है.
मैम स्कूल खुल जाएगा ना?
क्या?
मैम स्कूल साल खुलेगा ना?
नहीं, जुलाई में नहीं खुलने का चांस है. जुलाई में खुलने का चांस भी नहीं है. सीबीएसई भी अब बिना वो एग्जाम लिए ही रिजल्ट निकालवाएगा.
मैम बिना एग्जाम दिए रिजल्ट कैसे आ सकता है?
वही जो एक पेंडिंग पेपर था उसको एक्सक्लूड करके कुछ करेगा अपना. बाकी सब चीज का तो इवैल्यूएशन हो गया. बस एक कंप्यूटर 2 तरह का होता है ना. एक